So let me try this voice agent and let's see how this works. Okay, so let me click this run button. So now I have clicked it, and now I am waiting for my phone number to get a call. Now you can see that I get a call from this voice agent. Let me talk to that. Hello.
Hello, am I speaking with John Wick?
Yeah, I'm John Wick. Who is this?
Hi, John. This is Myra from Arrowflux AI. We spoke a while back about our chatbot when you were exploring options for enhancing your customer engagement.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Yeah, I'm good. Chatbot is, I have saw that chatbot, and chatbot is quite good. Could you please let me know more about this chatbot feature and functionalities?
That's great to hear, John. Our chatbot has evolved quite a bit since we last spoke. It's designed to streamline customer interactions, improve response time, and even personalize conversations based on user behavior. Some of the key features include 24/7 availability. It ensures your customers are always attended to, even outside business hours.
Okay.
Advanced AI capabilities. It can handle complex queries, provide accurate answers,
Okay,
and
Myra.
even escalate issues.
Okay, how can I purchase this chatbot? I just see that Arrowflux AI is offering this chatbot. So please let me know how can I purchase this chatbot features or chatbot service.
That's fantastic, John. To get started with our chatbot service, we can schedule a quick 15-minute call with one of our specialists.
Okay.
They'll walk you through the setup process, pricing options, and how the chatbot can be tailored to your specific needs. Would you like me to check our availability and book an appointment for you? Let me know what time works best for your schedule.
Okay, so could you please do it for today at 7 p.m.?
Let me quickly check our availability for today at 7 p.m. It looks like we don't have availability today at
Okay.
7 p.m.
Do it
but
for
we do
tomorrow.
have slots.
Do it for tomorrow 11 a.m.
Let me quickly check our availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m. We do have availability tomorrow at 11 a.m. Let me confirm your email address to book the appointment. Is it vadbait44@gmail.com?
Yeah, this is my email.
Perfect. I'll book the appointment for tomorrow at 11 a.m. and send you a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you.
Your
Thank you,
appointment
Myra.
is
Have a good day. You are so fantastic AI agent. Thank you.
Thank you, John. You're very kind. Have a fantastic day ahead, and I look forward to our chat tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Myra. So now you have taken a look at how this AI voice agent is so dynamic and so responsive. It will answer all your queries, and at the end of the day, it will book your appointment with the company, whatever company it is, and wherever you want to book your appointment. Hi guys, how are you doing all? I hope you all are doing great. I'm Advait Vaishnav, founder and CEO of Arrowflux AI. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through AI voice agent I've created for the lead reactivation. So the main goal of this AI voice agent is to go through our Google Sheet, read all the customer information and call each customer one by one. Okay. So I will show you everything how I have created, and I will also share the template so that you can easily integrate this system into your Retell application, and you can also build the similar AI voice agent by that template. If you don't want to use that template, then I will share step-by-step process that you need to take in order to create the exact AI voice agent. Okay, so let's deep dive into this tutorial or teaching or whatever you want to say, you can say it. So let's go and learn how I have created this AI voice agent. So first, let's have a look at how this AI voice agent will gonna work. So let me show you how this works. Okay. So as you can see, this is the lead list where you need to fill out the customer information like phone number, lead name, email, lead type, service of interest, date of last contact, prior interaction notes, conversion status, purchase history, call status. Okay, so lead type is nothing, but I have allotted this lead into two main categories, that is type A and type B. Type A are the lead who previously interacted with our product or services, but they haven't purchased our product or services. So those are type A. Okay, and type B are those leads who purchase our product or services, and we are reaching out to that lead again in order to check that if that person is still interested in purchasing our services or product, whatever. If you want to say, if you are building for any specific product, then you can build it for the product, or if you are building for the services, then you can do it for the services. So basically I have built it for my own agency, Arrowflux AI. Arrowflux AI is nothing but it's a AI automation agency where we sell chatbot, AI powered chatbot, AI voice agent, AI automations, AI agent, and AI powered websites and landing pages. So if anyone want me to build your voice agent or build your chatbot, then just check out the meeting link in the description box, and then just book a meeting from there, and let's see you at the meeting. Okay, so now let's see. These are the phone numbers that used by the voice agent in order to call the person, and you just see all of these. This is the prior interaction notes, in which you need to fill it out if you are putting your lead information, like if any lead interacted with your services, and if they have any comment about your services, then you can write it down, and the AI voice agent will handle all of this. Okay, let me cut this. Okay, this is my Arrowflux AI website. If you want to check, then you can go and check it out. And this is my portfolio website, If you want to have a look, then just go into URL and type at web-no.com, arrowfluxai.com. Now let me cut this down. Now from here, our AI voice agent will extract each lead information and call them one by one. And when they call, when our AI voice agent will call that person, then this status will change to yes. So I have already called this person, so that's why the status is showing yes. Okay, so let me put it to no, so that I can show you again fresh information. Okay, so this is a voice agent that I have created through Retell AI, and this is cal.com, which I have integrated it to our Retell, and this is a Google Calendar our Retell AI use to book the meeting using this Google Calendar via cal.com. Let me open this to automation. So as you can see, I have created two scenarios. One is lead reactivation, and one is lead reactivation report or transcript. Let me show you one by one. This lead reactivation automation is nothing. What this automation will do is, when you run this automation, then this will directly go into your Google Sheet, find out the first contact information of that person, make that call to that person, and talk to that person in order to fetch all the information, whatever it is. If our voice agent wants to get the information of the past product or purchases, then they can do it, depend upon the types that I have already explained, that there are two types, type A, type B. Okay, so let me first check it out. So this is lead reactivation, and this is basically for collecting the transcript. So whenever our voice agent will talk to any person, then after talking, this will create a transcript. Transcript is nothing but it will give you a summary of all the things that our voice agent was discussed in the meeting, like phone number, lead name, ended reason, recording URL, summary. That it's basically a record between our AI voice agent and the person our AI voice agent is talking with. Okay, it's simple as that. So let me try this voice agent and let's see how this works. Okay, so let me click this run button. So now I have clicked it and now I am waiting for my phone number to get a call. Now you can see that I get a call from this voice agent. Let me talk to that. Hello.
Hello, am I speaking with John Wick?
Yeah, I'm John Wick. Who is this?
Hi, John. This is Myra from Arrowflux AI. We spoke a while back about our chatbot when you were exploring options for enhancing your customer engagement.
Yeah.
How have you been?
Yeah, I'm good. The chatbot is, I have saw that chatbot and chatbot is quite good. Could you please let me know more about this chatbot feature and functionalities?
That's great to hear, John. Our chatbot has evolved quite a bit since we last spoke. It's designed to streamline customer interactions, improve response time, and even personalize conversations based on user behavior. Some of the key features include 24/7 availability. It ensures your customers are always attended to, even outside business hours.
Okay.
Advanced AI capabilities. It can handle complex queries, provide accurate answers,
Okay, Myra.
and escalate issues.
Okay, how can I purchase this chatbot? I just see that Arrowflux AI is offering this chatbot. So please let me know how can I purchase this chatbot features or chatbot service.
That's fantastic, John. To get started with our chatbot service, we can schedule a quick 15-minute call with one of our specialists.
Okay.
They'll walk you through the setup process, pricing options, and how the chatbot can be tailored to your specific needs. Would you like me to check our availability and book an appointment for you? Let me know what time works best for your schedule.
Okay, so could you please do it for today at 7 p.m.?
Let me quickly check our availability for today at 7 p.m. It looks like we don't have availability today at 7 p.m.
Do it for tomorrow. Do it for tomorrow 11 a.m.
Let me quickly check our availability for tomorrow at 11 a.m. We do have availability tomorrow at 11 a.m. Let me confirm your email address to book the appointment. Is it fabdate44@gmail.com?
Yeah, this is my email.
Perfect. I'll book the appointment for tomorrow at 11 a.m. and send you a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you.
Your appointment
Thank you, Myra. Have a good day. You are so fantastic, AI agent. Thank you.
Thank you, John. You're very kind. Have a fantastic day ahead, and I look forward to our chat tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Myra. So now you have taken a look at how this AI voice agent is so dynamic and so responsive. It will answer all your queries, and at the end of the day, it will book your appointment with the human. It will book your appointment with the company, whatever company it is, and wherever you want to book your appointment, it will do it without any hurdle. It will do it with ease. As you can see that this AI voice agent had booked my call, as I have told that please book me call for tomorrow at 11 a.m. and you can see that she booked my call at 11 a.m. Now let me delete this meeting because I didn't need that meeting as of now. And also let me show you one more thing. Now you can see the call status. Before it was no and now it's yes. Why it's showing yes for all of these three? Because the phone number, contact number is same for all of these three leads. So that's why it's not going to call me again and again. So this AI voice agent figured it out that all these three numbers are same. So I don't have to call this person again and again. So just mark all this contact number as yes. Okay. Now let me show you the transcript. This AI voice agent also record our transcript, or you can say summary. You can look it here, like John Wick, my phone number, ended reason why this call has been ended. The call ended after scheduling an appointment and confirming blah blah blah. You can also check the recording. When you click on this recording, all the recording was downloaded in your computer. So you can see how easy, how perfect this AI voice agent are. So if you could use into your business, how it will make things easier for you. You don't have to call the leads for their appointments, for booking the appointments, or for asking their contact information, or for anything. Also, they summarize whatever we have discussed in our quick 2 minutes of call. So you can see this is a quick summary of everything that we discussed in our call with AI voice agent. Okay. Now, so let me show you step by step that how I have created this dynamic AI voice agent and how you can build it into your system or for yourself. Okay. So first of all, you need to hover to this tool that is Retell. So let me do it from start for you guys so that there was no any confusion that how you can go to this dashboard for Retell. So I have already logged in, so that's why it directly redirected me to this dashboard. So if you are new, you just need to sign up and automatically this Retell will hover you to this similar dashboard. Okay. And then you need to create an agent, create a single prompt agent. You can also create multi-prompt agent, conversational flow agent. We'll discuss about these two in our coming videos. But for now, let's create single prompt agent. So I've already created that. So let me open that agent. So I've created this single prompt agent. Okay. From here, you can select any LLM if you would like. But I recommend go for GPT-4o. And from here, you can set the LLM temperature, structured output, high priority. Okay, so just put it like that. Don't do any changes in these settings. Okay, and just from here click any voice agent that you would like to select. So you can select Simo. You can also hear all of this agent voice from here. Just click here.
Hey, I'm Emily, your AI guide on this call. How can I assist you today?
How they are function. And you can also set all of these settings from here. Just don't do anything like that. If you click that voice speed to here, then that agent will talk very fast. So this is good for the local customer. For example, if anybody from USA or UK, Europe or Australia are getting this agent, then they are very fluent in English. They can understand English very quickly. Okay, so for them you can just increase the voice speed a little bit. Don't do it like that. If you do it like 2, then the voice agent will talk very fastly and you are not able to understand a word irrespective of your country. Okay, so just make it 1 or lower than 1. Okay, that is quite good. And for language, you can select any of language that you want to select, like multilingual, English, Spanish. And here you need to, and this is the main part, the prompt. Okay, so the voice agent only work best when you provided this agent a perfect prompt. So make sure that you take almost 40 to 50% of your time building brilliant prompt. Okay, so we can say this prompt is the base of this agent. So if you don't have a good prompt, then this AI voice agent will not going to work like you think or as per your requirement. Okay, so make sure that you write prompt very carefully and just take some time for writing this prompt. Okay, so this is very important for building the voice agent. Okay, now this option. Okay, so there are 3 options: user initiates, AI initiates, AI initiates. First is AI remains silent until users speak first. Okay, so if you are doing inbound call, then you can select it here. But if you are doing outbound call, like as I do, then AI speak first, then you can speak. Okay, so this is very important. AI initiates, AI begin with a dynamic begin message. AI begins with a dynamic begin message. So just select it, this option. AI initiates, AI begins with your defined begin message. Okay, so if you select this option, then you need to type here that what are the initial message that I want that if anybody call my voice agent, or if my voice agent is calling somebody, then this initial message will pop up when our voice agent will talk to the customer. Okay, so our voice agent will start the conversation by telling this word, whatever you write here. Okay, so you can write it anything, but I prefer to select it the second option, because let's give our AI voice agent some room of creativity, and you can believe our AI voice agent, then they can talk with talk brilliantly, and in many times we saw that these AI voices are very intelligent. They can also beat human sometimes when talking to the phone. So it's better to select this option. Now let's go to function. Function is nothing but it is a simple functionality which you can give to this AI agent in order to perform certain tasks. For example, I've created end call function. So whenever customer done with their task or done with their call, then our AI agent will automatically end the call by saying their last some sentences like okay John, I just booked your call and looking forward to our meeting. And then our AI voice agent will automatically cut the call. Or if any customer tell that I don't want to talk to you or anything, if any customer told to that voice agent, then our voice agent will automatically cut the call. Okay. And this check calendar availability, this is nothing but it will check the date which are available in your calendar. If the date are available, then this specific function will check the availability, and then this second function book appointment will book the appointment on the certain date or time. Okay. So I will show you how you can create all of this function. Now let's go to, you don't need to do anything here, like you don't need to change anything from here. You can change, but I prefer don't touch, just leave it like that. Call setting, just leave it like that. Post call analysis, it is just a simple function you need to create to capture the lead name. So here you just write lead name and you write a description, write down the name of the lead. Let me just show it one by one. Just make sure to write the description. This description is nothing but it's a simple prompt that you are giving to this post call analysis data, so that they extract the information that you want to extract, and then this will put into your Google Sheet here for transcript. I will show you how this will work. Indeed reason, okay, and summary. Oh my god. Okay, so by mistake I have deleted this function. Now I have created this, so sorry, pardon me for that. And now this is a webhook. I will show you one by one how to put it here. And this is Calendly. So now let's come here. This is the main part. Okay, here this is nothing but it is a simple webhook where our AI voice agent will go to our Google Sheet one by one and call the person. Okay, so for creating this Google Sheet, you just come here. Okay, so let me first show you how you can create one scenario. So when you log in into make.com, just go into their dashboard, create scenarios and create here, and just here you get an option to create a new scenario. Just click it here and then you will get a blank dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to just double click it here, click Google Sheet and search for the search rows. Okay, click it here. Okay, so this is the same thing. Okay, so let me delete this first. So this is the same thing. When you get this Google Sheet, then what you need to do is you need to connect this Google Sheet to your account. How can you do this? Here you get the option to add your Google account. Okay, so just sign in with Google and attach your Google account. And here you need to select your My Drive. You need to select the sheet name. My sheet name is lead reactivation list. So you can see here I just selected my lead reactivation list, and under lead reactivation list I selected the lead form, and table container headers, just keep it like that, yes. Column A to CZ, call status no. Okay, so let me explain it here. Just keep your focus here. Let me explain this very important topic, that what is that called status. So as you can see, whenever I call the person, our called status changed from no to yes. Okay, so when you are building this automation, make sure that under filter create the called status. You don't need to create, just need to select that option. Like all the headers you created in your Google Sheet will automatically show it here. So you need to just select that option. So select called status and then type it here no. You can type it anything like not called, anything like that. Okay, so just for the sake I leave it for the no. Okay, so if let's suppose you keep it no, then your AI voice agent will come to this specific lead and they will call this number. Okay, and change that status to yes. Okay, so please keep this in mind and put it ascending and limit is 10. Limit is basically how many numbers, okay, how many lead that you want to call at a time. Okay, you can select it 10, 20, 30, select it at your needs, and depend upon your requirements. And this is array aggregator. What this array aggregator will do is, this will fetch all of your seat information like total number of bundle order position, row number, phone number, lead name, email, service of interest, prior interaction notes. They will collect all the information and transfer it to iterator. Okay, so just you need to go to the blank chat, double click it here, and from here you can see this is aggregator. So click it here, aggregator, and then again double click and select the iterator. Okay, so I don't need this, so let me delete that. Okay, so when you come to this array, just click it here and just drop this array and scroll it here. Okay, scroll and just put it here, save it and then cut. This is the main thing. This is our LLM. Okay, so I have selected this open router LLM because the ChatGPT LLM is paid. I don't have paid version of that LLM ChatGPT, so that's why I have selected this open router connection. So you just have to click here, just search open router and just click it here. Okay, so when you click it here, it will tell you to write down the API key. So in order to find the API key for this LLM, you need to go to this URL, openrouter.ai/settings/keys. Create a key, just name it anything and just create. So I've already created it, so I'm not going to create again. Just copy this API key and paste it here. Okay, once you paste that API key, this screen will show into your dashboard. Okay, so then put this same content in this message box under content. Okay, and make sure that here you need to scroll, you need to keep that this phone number is nothing but it is the phone number of lead, and here we give the input that if you receive the input like this. So as you can see that I have written my number with 917079. Okay, so when this data get our number as this format, then the work of this LLM is to convert this number into this format, so that our AI voice agent will make a call to that person. Okay, so it is necessary to just write plus, because if you are not putting a plus icon, then it will unable to make a call to the customer. Okay, and then under role you just select system. Okay, and then under model you can select any model that you want to select, but I am selecting Gemini 2.5 Pro. So if you like, because it is free, if you like to select it, then please go for it. And then second thing is that HTTP is nothing just paste URL to your HTTP, click post request, name here authorization. Here you need to put the Retell API key. Where you get the Retell API key, let me show it to you. So just go to your Retell dashboard, go API keys, go into API keys, create new one, add new one, just write any name and just copy this API key. I have already created this 2 API key, so I just copy this API key and paste it here. And please don't forget to write bearer before this API key. Okay, this is very important in order to run this API, run this HTTP request. And then in item 2, you can write content type, and value you can write application JSON. Okay, under this body type you can select raw. Under content type you need to select application/JSON, and then under request content you need to put it, just copy this whole information. I will send it to you in the description. Just copy this whole section and paste it into your HTTP request section under request content. Okay, so this is nothing, but here you need to select your phone number from, this is the number from which our AI voice agent will make a call to our lead. Okay, so under Retell AI you will see your phone number here, and from here you need to copy that phone number ID. Just go to make and paste it here. Okay, and for 2 number you need to, what you need to just pick that phone number and just drop it down here. Okay, so I have already did that, so I don't need to do it again because it gets some error when I put a new phone number and click save. So let me just leave it like that. And now for lead name, so for each input you need to drop the same input in front of that name. Okay, so just do it like that. For email you need to put that email and drop it down here. Service of interest, just do it for the service of interest. Prior connection. Okay, and just click pass connection to no, then just hit close. And this is the Google Sheet where we'll change our called status to yes. As you remember that we selected our this Google Sheet ID and we put it no. So when after making call, this Google Sheet will put that no to yes. How is it possible? Let me show it to you. You just need to do it same thing. Search by path, click my drive, select the seat name. You need to select which seat. Okay, so in our case it is lead form, and then you need to select the cell. So you can see our called status in J. So I have put it here, the J, and just put that row number here. Just drag and drop it here, and you are all set. And just write value to yes and hit save. Okay, so this is a simple process that you need to make our AI voice agent automated, so that whenever you run this whole system, our AI voice agent will make a call to our lead one by one. Okay, and this is nothing, this is a simple process that we have created in order to record the conversation of our AI voice agent with our lead. Okay, so this is a simple webhook. You need to double click it here, create webhook, just create custom webhook. Okay, and just name this webhook anything that you like to name. Okay, so I have already created this lead name, and just make sure to select this Retell lead reactivation. So I've created one webhook with name Retell lead reactivation. So you just need to put any name that you want to give it to this webhook, and just copy this URL and just paste it to your voice agent. Where you need to paste this, let me show it to you. Just click the lead reactivation and post this here under agent level webhook URL. Just paste this URL here. Okay, and after that, once you paste it, then click, then add a Google Sheet row, Google Sheet, and add a row, and just do the same thing. Select your drive, select your Google Sheet name, and under Google Sheet you need to select the second form. First is lead form, second is transcript. You can see first is lead form, second is transcript. So here you need to select the transcript and just keep it yes. And so put the lead name, and here put the number. Here you can drag and drop it out. You don't have to do any hard and fast rule. Just do this simple thing. Just drag and drop it here. Okay, like let me show you the number, call phone number. So where it is, let me find it out. So here you can see two number. So just drag and drop it here. Okay, so this is basically the number of lead. Okay, it is used to collect all the information and put it here. Okay, so I hope you can do this. And that's it. These are all the settings that you need to change it for yourself. Okay, so I hope you can do that without any error or without any issue. If any issue persists, please comment me. I will see your comment and respond to your comment. And if you want to join my Discord server, then you can do it. I put the link of my Discord in this description section of the YouTube, and where you can join my Discord channel, and there you can ask your queries and I will answer your queries as soon as possible. Okay, so just make all of these changes and create your own lead reactivation or AI voice agent for yourself. So now I hope everything is clear. One thing I am forgetting, that this function section. Okay, so how you can attach your cal.com or calendar to this voice agent? You just have to click this add, click check calendar availability, and just put down the API key. Okay, so where do you put the API key? So from where do you put the API key of cal.com? So go to the cal.com, make sure that you will sign up to this cal.com. Go to this website, go to setting, so this is the API key. You just need to click add, just write any name that you want to give it to this API, and just copy that API key and paste it here. Okay, and for event type, let me show it how you can put this event type ID. So just go to any meeting. For example, if you want the lead to book a 15-minute meeting or 30-minute meeting or secret meeting, then you need to go to this 30-minute meeting. Just click it here and put that number, copy and just copy this number and put it here. Okay, and just hit update. Same you need to do it for book appointment. One more thing, that you need to describe this function. So when user asks for availability, check the calendar and provide available slots. Okay, and same you can do it here. You can write a simple description, or you can say it's a prompt. So write it here, and make sure whenever you are writing this prompt, make sure to use this function to give this prompt or give this voice agent a certain queries or certain guidelines or information to follow along. So let me show you how. So let me show it to you how. Now you can see it here, like check calendar availability and book the appointment using book appointment function. Okay, so I have used this same text in order to give instruction to our voice agent that if our lead told you to check for the calendar, then you need to check the date and time available. Then you need to check the available date and time slots, and then you need to book the appointment using this book appointment function. I hope you are getting it. And also don't forget to use this lead information, email, service of interest, prior interaction notes, so that whenever our voice agent will call the customer, our voice agent will make sure that each call will be personalized by telling the lead name, lead phone number, lead email. something like that. You need to create this function by double curly braces, and then you can write here the lead name, email, service of interest. Make sure that these texts are matching the same text that you written here, service of interest, email, lead name. Okay, so I hope you got this. One more thing, in order to set up your phone number here, you just need to click it plus and connect to your number via SIP trunking. So you can do it via Twilio. Twilio is the best platform to purchase any foreign number or any number which you can connect it, and your voice agent will use that number to connect to call to your lead, whether it is inbound or outbound. So when you do that, just come here and select outbound call agent. So this is basically which agent would you like to do the outbound call. Just select it here, and for inbound you can select it here. Okay, so if you want me to show you that how to connect this Twilio number to your Retell AI account, then just let me know. I will show you how to do this step by step. This is not a very tough process. This is a very simple process. I will tell you if you want me to make a video for this Twilio number, how to connect this Twilio number to your Retell AI account. Just let me know in the comment section. I will make a video out of it. So now I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any issue, any error, or any difficulties making this whole automation, then just let me know via comment, or just join my Discord server. I will reply you. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And I hope you like this video. So thank you so much, guys. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for being here till the last of this video. I really appreciate your effort. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.